Hi and welcome to another unboxing from the Switch Lab at EPS Global. So today we're going to look at DWDM systems. So we have IP over DWDM and then a channelized approach. So we have hardware from Eufy Space, we have 400 gig ZR Plus optics, and we have smart optics, a multiplexer from Smart Optics involved. So just give me a couple of minutes to get unboxed and let's have a look at the first side of the solution. Hi and welcome back. So here's actually an end-to-end solution. So this is applicable for metros, metro networks, data center interconnect, even some backhaul and some backbone networks. So what we have here is the S951028DC from Eufy Space, same over here. EdgeCore have a comparable model called the 7535, which basically is the same reference design that's with the Telecom Infra project. So what we have on the front end, we have our hot swappable PSUs, one of them is redundant. We have our time sync and GNSS, a console management, two 400 gig ports, 200 gig ports, and 24, 25 gig or 10 gig, whichever you want to use them for. On the back end, we have 5 hot swappable fan units. One of them is redundant. So the same box over here, and what we have, this is where the magic happens. On these 400 gig, they're coherent ports, so it means they'll take a 400 gig ZR Plus optic. So we can actually send a signal, an unamplified signal from this box to this box, 80 kilometers. Now if we amplify, we can send it 500 kilometers. If we take this down to 100 gig, we can send that 1200 kilometers. We actually have a really good webinar if you're interested, which will be in the link below, and to have a look, because we've talked about this actual this use case a couple of times before. Yeah, so this is the IP over DWDM, and I'm actually going to show you now how we can add multiple of these boxes, channelize them in a smart optics box. But again, we're talking about zero touch provisioning here. So give me 2 minutes, I'm going to set up a little more and you'll be able to see the channelized version. So we've looked at the 951028DC from Eufy Space. And we've looked at a 400 gig ZR Plus link that goes 80 kilometers, or with amplification 500 kilometers. So what if we had 12 more boxes? So if we've 12 more signals, we're going to channelize and we're going to use a multiplexer. So the multiplexer I have in front of me is from Smart Optics. It's part of the DCP-M family. So this is the DCP-M40. There's 5 different variants depending on how many channels you require, from 8 up to 40. So basically what we'd be doing is connecting up 12 of these devices, connecting them up here, and one link can actually travel 160 kilometers. And as I said, we can connect up to 40 different 400 gig devices here. It's a passive multiplexer, but it will actually gauge the distance itself, and you can use different data rates as well. So we can use PAM4, we can use 400 gig ZR, depending on what you have in your network at the minute. So these are some of the DWDM options we have. So get in touch with us and see if we can help you with your optical networks.